Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily season and roast your turkey from start to finish. But before we get started, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell so you'll be notified of new uploads. Now let's get started. I'm going to get started by removing my thawed turkey from the fridge, and then I'm going to blot it dry with a few paper towels to remove any additional moisture. And then I'll go ahead and preheat my oven to about 450 degrees to make sure it's nice and hot, and I'll get started on prepping the seasonings for the turkey. I'm going to add about 1.5 to 2 sticks of softened butter to a bowl. I'm going to give it a quick mix, and then I'm going to add some salt and pepper along with some Cajun seasoning here. Now I am using the Slap Your Mama brand of Cajun seasoning because I like that brand, but you could also sub this out with like lemon pepper seasoning, Moroccan seasoning, or any other seasonings you want here. I'm also adding some fresh thyme leaves to the mix, and then I'm just going to mix everything well to combine it. All right, y'all, now I'm going to go ahead and season up the turkey. So I'm going to add salt and black pepper into the cavity of the turkey, but I'm also going to add in some more of that Slap Your Mama seasoning inside the cavity as well. I want to make sure my turkey is seasoned inside and out. Yes. And then I'm going to add in my vegetables. So I have onion, celery, and carrot I'm adding in. And then I have 1 lemon that I have sliced that I'm going to add to the turkey as well. After I'm done adding all of my vegetables, I'm also going to add in a small bunch of fresh thyme. I love the smell of fresh thyme, but more importantly, I love not having to buy any more herbs, y'all. Yes, your girl is officially in her green thumb era. Now I'm going to slather on all of that seasoned butter over the turkey and underneath the skin. Just make sure you check that your turkey is really dry so that the butter and the seasonings will adhere to it. Otherwise, it won't stick and it will just slide right off, y'all. You may want to just do a quick turkey check if I were you for moisture, and then blot the turkey once more with any additional paper towels before you add your butter. I'm just going to finish up by adding the remainder of the butter to the turkey here. And then I'm going to move on and add some finishing touches by adding a few shakes of seasoning evenly over the entire bird, y'all. Yes, I'm going to season my turkey once more with a little bit of seasoning. Y'all know we season for good measure around here. I'm adding a couple of cups of chicken stock to the pan, but you could also use vegetable stock if you wanted to. This is going to ensure that my turkey stays moist and won't dry out. I'm also going to go ahead and place this turkey in the oven at 425 degrees for about 10 minutes. Then we're going to bump down the temperature to about 325 degrees, and we're going to continue to cook it at this temperature until it's done. I'm also going to, of course, baste my turkey in its delicious juices every 30 minutes to 1 hour. And if your turkey happens to brown a little bit too quickly, just go ahead and cover it up with a little bit of aluminum foil. Once the turkey is done, I'll allow it to rest for about 15 minutes before carving. Juicy, perfectly roasted turkey has never been easier. Roasting a turkey doesn't have to be hard and stressful. If you struggle with the task of making a turkey, the key is to not to overthink it and to keep it simple. Well, everyone, that is going to wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for joining me for another recipe, and I'll see you later.